Deep within the embrace of Betty's Bay, where mountains touch the ocean and wind whispers secrets, lies the Dune House. This isn't just a house, it's a story whispered by nature itself. The natural beauty of Betty's Bay is a treasure, but one that's easily bruised. Past development has left scars. The Dune House, however, was built with a different vision, one of respect and harmony. Here, the wind is not an enemy, but a sculptor. The unique curved roof of the Dune House dances with the ever-changing winds, offering protection from the elements when needed, and allowing the cool summer breeze to grace the outdoor living spaces. But the respect goes beyond the wind. The house itself stands tall on timber stilts, minimizing its impact on the sensitive dunes. This allows the natural ecosystem to thrive beneath, with small creatures finding safe passage. Sustainability is at the heart of the Dune House. Even the construction process honored the environment. Excavated soil was used to stabilize the house and even became part of the concrete mix. Barrels acted as molds, minimizing waste and environmental contamination. Stepping inside, the feeling of connection with nature intensifies. Open spaces bathed in light invite you to relax and embrace the ever-changing scenery. When the elements rage, the house becomes a sanctuary, yet when the weather permits, vast sliding doors open the home to the vastness of the ocean, sky, and mountains. The Dune House is a testament to the power of harmonious design. It's not just a structure, it's a part of the landscape, built to respect the environment and allow its inhabitants to be guardians of this precious place. Here, nature and design come together to create a symphony for the senses, a home that truly belongs.